Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this with you today. 3 yoga exercises for sexual problems. That might be improving libido, increasing sexual energy, and more. But start here. This is your starting point to improve your sexual problems. And then tap the link below the video for deeper guidance and support. If we've not met, my name is Joss and I am a yoga therapist. If you look below the video, you can join my newsletter. I'm always sharing new classes and new practices. So today we're going to keep it really simple. These are practices that you can do at home. I suggest doing these frequently. So it's not enough to do this once. We're going to move through 3 exercises today. The first one is grounding. The second one is breath work. Third one is self-compassion and lengthening and opening poses for your sacral chakra. Okay, so let's do this together. You can find a peaceful space, make sure there's no distractions, turn the sounds off, the television, close the door, and let's begin. Whoever is watching this, before doing these practices, it's really important that you believe in yourself and that you trust yourself. Your body always wants to progress towards healing. So even notice how it feels to have a little mental whisper to speak to yourself. Maybe that sounds like, I'm improving my libido. I have the freedom to improve my libido. I have the freedom to align with my sexuality. Pick something and just sort of repeat that. Let that be your mantra, your affirmation. Okay, so let's start with grounding. I'll invite you to sit comfortably cross-legged. If that doesn't feel comfortable, you can always sit on something so your hips are lifted up a bit, or you can sit in a chair. So don't worry if there's any pain, you don't have to sit exactly in this pose. But we'll start by bringing your hands onto your body, maybe gently rocking forward and back, and just start to notice where your pelvis, your sits bones touch the ground, where your seat touches the ground. Feel all those little parts of contact. And I'll invite you to have a soft gaze or maybe closed eyes for a moment. Okay, let's explore 3 breaths. Now to start, we'll do some breathing through the mouth. Keep it nice and gentle, nice and easy. Maybe a big inhale right now through the mouth. Releasing exhale. Notice how that feels and try 2 more. Inhale through the mouth. When you exhale, wash it all away, rinse away any worries, any fears, any doubts. Let's try that once more. Inhale through the mouth. Wash it all away. Now start to notice where you feel your center today. It might be the stomach, sacral chakra, heart, mind. Where is your center today? Now take a moment with your eyes closed and notice all the sensations wherever you feel your center. What is that like? Maybe you notice tension, maybe you notice a temperature, a weight. Breathe into your center. For a few more breaths. Okay, let's think about lengthening a bit now. So keep that sensation of grounding, pressing down from your pelvis, but start to lengthen up through your spine and through the crown of your head when you inhale. Notice how that feels. I'm going to invite you to focus on the lengthening for 1 more breath. Inhale up and exhale out. Okay. From here, bring your hands across your body into a self-hug and focusing on the sensation of touch. So right now we are grounding, being mindful, being present in our bodies. How does that feel? Take a moment here. I am in my body now. I am in my body now. Okay, keep noticing your fingertips touching your body, embracing that self-hug for one more breath. Release when you are ready. So you just completed number one, that was the grounding. So you are connecting to your body, noticing your breathing, and feeling present and mindful. So this is a very important step. Come back to this step as often as you can, preferably every day, multiple times a day if you can. Because when it comes to reducing sexual problems, whether that's libido or sexual energy, a huge factor to that is being present and mindful, not being up here lost in thought or worry or fear or self-doubt. So this is very important. We're going to do a breathwork practice now. This is a 2-to-1 breathwork practice where your exhale is twice as long as your inhale. So when you do this type of breathing, it helps you come into your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your calm state. So it helps you really relax, especially if you're someone who is getting anxious feelings, feeling anxiety or depression, maybe even trauma, PTSD. This is a way to help you feel super relaxed and calm in your body. So you can stay seated. If you feel like you want to lay down, you can of course lay down. We'll do about 3 to 5 breaths and I'm going to count you. So we'll inhale to 4 and then we'll exhale to 8. If it feels too much, it's okay. Just keep coming back and trying this practice because it takes time and you can increase your capacity to breathe. You can breathe into more space if you do this every day. Take an inhale. Okay, now where do you feel your breathing has the most space in your body? It's the most accessible. Do you feel a shortness of breath? Do you feel like you're breathing here, in your chest, in your belly? What do you feel? Everyone's going to be different, but if you do notice a shortness of breath, you might have some tension in your body, so you might benefit from doing like some side stretches and some heart openers. So if you notice a challenge as you do this practice, that's why. But we'll continue now into the breathing. So everything will be through your nose. You can bring your hands down, or if you like, you can come into a mudra with the thumb and the index finger touching. Create some space in your neck, lift through the heart, draw the shoulder blades together as you press through your pelvis. Exhale completely. Now inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Exhale nose, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Through the nose, inhale 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. Bring your hands to your body, maybe moving through the arms as well, maybe through the head. Okay, and just breathe naturally now. Notice how you feel. Maybe you feel a little bit more calmer, a little bit more present. Maybe the thoughts are less. What do you feel? Let's move on to practice number 3. Physical practices to open up through your sacral chakra and some mental affirmations to tap into your emotions and self-compassion. So all of this is going to help you tap into your sexuality, into your sacral chakra. I'm going to invite you to come to lying on your back and start to wiggle through your hips. Tilt your pelvis up and down a few times. So bring all your awareness to this space. So I'm rocking up and down on my pelvis. If you're noticing a lot of tension here, there's some work to do here. It takes time, but you will want to lengthen and open up all the muscles in this space. This is the seat of your sexuality, of course, your emotions, your creativity. So a daily practice to lengthen and open can be really beneficial. Okay, see how that feels to rock a few times. Notice your breathing. Okay, now the hands can be wherever you like, but we're going to move the knees side to side any amount. Inhale up, exhale across. Inhale up, exhale across. Inhale up, follow, go slow with me, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Inhale up and exhale down. Come back to center, pause, and just kind of notice how you feel in your pelvis, your hips now. Notice your breathing, relax your jaw, relax the back of your neck. Okay, from here, lift your knees up and you're going to trace little circles. This is massaging your sacrum and creating connection to your pelvis and your sacral chakra. So my hands are just open and free, so maybe you could do the same. And then notice every sensation, every part of the movement. Notice your breathing. If you want to hang out in a spot, you can stay, or you can continue the circles. Focus on this space. Feel so present, sending love and compassion to this space. Let's go the other way with those circles. Again, relax your jaw, notice your breathing as you open up here. If you're going fast, slow it down, move nice and slow. Okay, come back to center and maybe lift your legs and your arms up and just give a little shake, release that energy. Okay, notice how it feels when you bring your feet flat to open up through your knees any amount, doesn't matter how much. And then bring your hands to your lower belly or your sexual organs. Take a moment here. Okay, focus on the space. Simply breathing here is more than enough. You might do the breathing we did before, or you might just practice slow breathing. Notice the sensations here. Notice any thoughts or feelings that come up with no judgment, no changing. Okay, I'm going to invite you to stay here, continue breathing, and notice if you could say this out loud or in your mind. My body wants to improve towards healing. I have the freedom to change how I feel in my body at any given moment. I love myself in this moment. Take a few deeper breaths into this space, receiving energy. You can use your hands to bring your knees back together, and we're going to come back to seated. Okay, thank you so much for doing that practice with me. Trust yourself. You're doing amazing. If you stay frequent and do these practices every week, you will notice changes in your body and to your confidence and to your sexuality. And remember, this is just a starting point. Start here and then look below the video for deeper guidance and more support. Thank you so much. Please comment how it was for you.